How to prepare for AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. AWS CCP is the foundational level certification offered by AWS. In this video, we will discuss the fundamentals of AWS Cloud Practitioner, as well as exam details and practical tips that can help you pass the exam easily. It is the foundational certification by AWS. The AWS Cloud Practitioner course is one of the certifications provided by AWS. This certification is mainly geared towards professionals who want to hone their skills in cloud computing and AWS cloud services. This certification course is designed for individuals eager to pursue careers in technical, managerial, sales, purchasing, or financial positions with AWS Cloud. Through the AWS Cloud Practitioner examination, candidates are validated to know the fundamentals of cloud infrastructures and architectural concepts, as well as important AWS services. As well, you must first complete AWS Cloud Practitioner Certification before enrolling in any other certification such as Associate, Professional, and Specialized. Newcomers looking to embark on a career in cloud computing should apply for this certification. A Cloud Practitioner certification will lend credence to a wide range of roles in an organization, as many positions require this set of skills. The Cloud Practitioner not only liaises with the IT team, but also with the business team to ensure that there is an alignment between the business objectives of the organization. What is Cloud Practitioner? Amazon Web Services offers a foundational level certification called the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. Candidates who obtain this certification will gain a deeper understanding of network, security, and pricing features offered by Amazon Web Services. Exam details. An individual who embarks on the journey to upskill themselves surely becomes an ambassador to the industry and an influencer to peers. The Cloud Practitioner examination will cost $100. The total duration of the examination will be 90 minutes. In the examination, there will be 65 questions. It will be in multiple choice format. The passing score for AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam is 700 out of 1000. Topics covered in the exam. Here you will see what will be the outcomes of this certification. AWS Cloud, what it is and how it works. Identify and describe global AWS cloud infrastructure. Explain the value proposition of AWS Cloud. Provide an overview of the AWS Cloud architecture. Outline the key features of the AWS platform like computation and analytics and common use cases for each. Describe the basic aspects of security and compliance for AWS platforms, as well as the shared security model. Establish the model for billing, account management, and pricing. Provide an overview of the basic characteristics associated with deploying and operating in the AWS cloud. How to pass this exam. People who are new to cloud computing and who have selected AWS as their first option are eligible for the Amazon Cloud Practitioner certification. Those who will benefit from this training include C-suite executives, technical sales representatives, and senior technical team members who aren't familiar with cloud technology and AWS in particular. Whizlabs certification courses are among the knowledge foundation hub tailored by SMEs that have breathed their toil days and weaved them into their knowledge of expertise via video courses, hands-on labs, and practice tests so that the learning curve never tapers off. Practical tips to pass this exam. The easiest way to pass the exam is to have experience with AWS tools for at least 6 months, as it will assist you in understanding the logic behind the concepts. You must be familiar with the fundamentals of cloud computing. Each time you take the exam, you are required to pay $100. So it is worth taking practice tests before the real exam. A retake of the exam will not be possible until after 14 days if you are unable to pass on your first attempt. Examine the syllabus to ensure that you have covered all topics. Identify the areas in which you need additional attention. We trust that you may now have a better understanding of AWS CCP certification. We wish that your exam will be a success one.